And we're back. Finally went and bought some new tires. I had some put on the other day, but they were just too damn big. That one, yeah. Yes. That's all I could do. I had to make do. I had a bunch of 235s laying around. I'll probably step it up to a 245, depending on how they fit. A little bit has changed. I got most of the car wrapped, except for the front fenders, headlight buckets, and the body kit, which I'm still waiting on, which should be in Friday maybe. I mean, I didn't do too bad. It's a 10-footer. That's all that matters. Minus wrapping the car. I was luckily almost got the whole roof wrapped in one sheet. All this is one sheet. I ended up having to seam it there, which ain't a big deal. I was able to make that work, thankfully. The hood came out really minty. There's a ding here, and there was a big old crack in the paint, which I sanded down right there, but it looks like you can barely see it. And then on this side of the roof, I made it there. You can see it there. Had to seam it. Otherwise, it came out not bad. There's a hole there. There's a hole there. I think that's it. I want to fix them, but I'm trying to get the car done for a car show this weekend. So yeah, my oil test came back. It said there was a lot of lead and copper in it, which I believe most of that, if not all of that, is from my turbo. Because I took it apart last night. Well, not last night, but the night before. That's the inside of the turbo where it rotates. You can barely see it, but that big gouge right there, I believe that is to be the, let me unfocus here. I believe that's the giant piece of metal that I found in my oil pan. This is this. You can see it's pretty burnt up. Yeah. I believe the engine's good. I'm gonna drain it, refill it up, crank it over a couple times, drain it back out, and then fill it again and drive around for a little bit, and then send in another sample of clean oil with not a blown turbo. So I'm gonna grab some parts for this thing and get to working. Thankfully, coilovers came in today. That's more like it. On the ground. It's a little low. The front's went a lot lower than I expected. This side, about the same. I gotta wait on my fenders, which they'll be here tomorrow, so we'll see how that fits. On the other hand, the right rear, doesn't sit as low, which that's an easy fix. Looks like it's got a lot of caster, honestly. Hold up. Yeah, it's just me. But yeah, we'll get the pop rivet on in a few. Can't really do anything with the front until my fenders come in tomorrow. I might go ahead and slap my, I don't know, I gotta fix this mess. I tried jamming it in there, and then I realized that it's in the wheel well and I can't be doing that. So I might just shove it all down there and let it be. Yeah, that's about it. Fenders on. These were literally like $200 on eBay, or not eBay, but carbon fiber hoods. They actually do not fit bad for the price. I got trim there. It's hitting at the door. There's a nice big gash, which I might fix. I don't know yet. I should. This side, same thing. Trim at the bottom. Might be able to get away with it by just pulling it down. Otherwise, They'll go in more. They're all pre-drilled too, which is pretty sick. I ordered smaller tires because they're way too big. You know, trying to get good fitment. Haven't got anything done on here. Still need to install oil pan. We're over here wrapping this thing. We got an event tomorrow, literally like 11. It is come on, focus. It's 2:15 in the morning. We gotta wrap a whole body kit still. This color is so sick. Hannah and Kaylee spent the whole day cleaning, so this place is nice and neat. We got a projector right there, big screen. So we're watching FD tomorrow. FD, some Tokyo Drift, you know. But yeah, can't really see it. Fenders wrapped, headlights spray painted. Hannah's car gone. We're going drifting. No Star Bashes this weekend, and it's like the biggest drifting event of the year. And I showed up. I was spectating. I'm like, damn, this is boring. So here I am, lowered up. So yeah, we'll see you there. And we are here, No Star Bash. Biggest event of the year here. Driving. I literally only had scrubs. I had 2 pairs of scrubs. Didn't even burn through them all the way. And tapped a couple cars, you know, the usual. Good day. Car's still in one piece. Tiny crack on the bumper. Didn't go off track. Only spun once yesterday. Yep. We're gonna head back to the shop, drop the stuff off, and get back to working on the FD. Later. I gotta get some tires for that. My tires came in Friday. I let a buddy use them this weekend. I sold the ones that were on the car because somebody needed them to drift on, so I'm gonna put those on. I gotta get a spacer for the front, well, 2 spacers. Raise it up. Although the fitment is fantastic, it needs raised up. I can't drive it being that low. Get it running, and I really think about, oh yeah, hold up, that's wrap, I forgot to mention that. This came in, I bought this on eBay because it was $50 versus a clean OEM one, it's like $300, so. And it came wrapped. It already came wrapped in the exact color too, so shout out to that guy on eBay for having a good taste in colors. Hell yeah. That should be fixed this week. Garage packed full. It's very dark. But that's it for now. We're gonna, my body kit should come in today or tomorrow. Not today, today's Sunday, but probably tomorrow, maybe Tuesday. Get the kit on, make it look cool. Yeah, that's about it. Peace out again.